think everything should be working now. Hello. So, it's going to be a bit of a different kind of stream today. I'm not going to be working on a working game. In fact, I'm going to be working on a new game, which is this HyperCasual game that I'm going to make. Which is just going to be a phone game, basically. And give me just a moment, just need to sort out a few more little things, and then I'll be done. Hello, Hadskar, and hello, White Fox. Welcome to the stream. I'm just gonna quickly sort something out, as I said, and then I'll be, like, one moment. Basically, we're gonna be working on this game, and actually I've kind of worked on it already, and I'll explain that in a minute. So basically, hello J-Code. So basically I started working on this game quite a while ago. And it's this really simple game, I'll show you it now. It's called Circle Dash. You've got to like avoid these things but get points. It's surprisingly difficult, so I'm probably going to have to lower the difficulty of it. But you've got to collect these like blocks by dodging these. So that's that. Let me just go into do not disturb mode in Discord. Okay, that's the chat. Anyway, I'm kind of going to be working on the sprites today while you hit 2k pretty fast. Yeah, I know. It's kind of surprising because like at the end of last year, I reached 1,000 subscribers, and my goal was to reach 2,000 at the end of this year, and it's only the start of April, and we've already got 2,000 people, which is just crazy. Anyway, I'm going to be working on some assets here and there, so if I could show you, I want to make some nicer sprites and like some cool player models, because currently this is like the only player model, and then you can do this, but it's not even that cool in terms of I want to add some like nicer, like different ones. I can't even speak. So wait, let me show you this. So Ketchup is a game, not the bird game. I actually was thinking of making a similar. Is it a challenge? No, it's not really a challenge. I just kind of want to make a mobile game. I haven't like made one before. Well, I have. I made like a flying shooter sort of thing. Flying shooter? No, what was it? Like Space Invaders. That's it. Type of game. Anyway, you get like in Ketchup games and like Voodoo now. Yeah, 2K. Yeah, thank you, Yannick. It's crazy. But anyway, in games like these, you basically have like a shop, and I can't really show you here, but there you go. And you can like buy different skins and stuff. So that's what I want to work on, is the sprites for the skins and some other stuff like that today. It's just getting my game kind of cool. And I'm gonna have to change some of the code, but I'm like rubbish at Unity. So basically I want to make stuff like that. So let's open up Photoshop. I'm going to quickly have a look at the size of my player. Can I look at that? Wait, where is this? So this is there, okay. Alright. Hello Snapstory, hello everyone. Oh, also, you know how I'm going to do that video where I play you guys games and stuff? If you have your games that you want to submit for it, I'm going to do like a little update video so you can submit them under that video. Or you can submit them here if you want. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, I'm going to have to like do some, wait, where is it? Let's minimize that. Can I just drag it on here? Yeah, there you go. I just need the size of it. Let's turn the music down a bit. Hey, Takedown Bard 24, and hello everyone else who just joined. Anyway, let's go to my desktop and let's open it up. So this is the player and this is the default one, but I kind of want to make like different skins, as I said already. So we're gonna do that. If you have any ideas for skins, you can go ahead and suggest them down below. I was gonna do like a cool fish. So let's make like a little fishy sort of thing. So I'm gonna have to start by actually kind of getting it centralized, because we need to make it, what's it called? We need to make it all even and stuff. What software you use for thumbnail? I use Photoshop for my thumbnails. It's just really easy and really powerful to use. Should you do like a Nemo sort of fish? What are they called? Whoa, okay, what just happened? Whoops. Let's do like a Nemo thing. So, I mean, I might have to like try and do them. What do you mean skins? Oh, basically I have like a HyperCasual game here, and there's a shop, so you can buy different characters that you play as, basically. That's the sort of gist of it. Anyway, I'm gonna try and like create kind of a path like this, and I guess make a selection of it. And then this is going to be on a new layer that's going to be a clipping mask. And I'll get it white. Let's paint that white. And then there we go, and we can duplicate them basically. And I'll stretch them out a bit. I just got a new version of Photoshop as well. Installed a couple days ago. Ah, cool, yeah. Hello everyone who just joined. Oh, that looks a bit off, isn't it? Oh, I forgot. With the new version of Photoshop, you have to press shift or something. So we can make like this kind of fish. It doesn't really look like anything just yet. Anyway, let's do the tail. And how do I don't even know how to draw the tail, in all honesty. If I go like something like this, right, and then make a selection, oh, the wrong thing. Make a selection of it. And let's do it on the layer below. Sorry, that's my dog if you can hear him. Let's fill that in, like such. Let's duplicate that and then edit. And I think we just need to flip it horizontally. No, wrong way. Vertically instead, my bad. Transform vertically. No, what am I doing? I don't, oh, there we go. Wait. Transform vertically. There you go. We can create like a little tail sort of thing there. So this will be one of the skins that we can test it out, in all honesty. Hello everyone who just joined. Welcome to the stream. We're making a HyperCasual game, as you can tell. And then let's do a little eye. So for the eye, I'm gonna press Alt. Fill it in with like a nice grey sort of colour. Okay, let's save this real quick. And I might do like a little, what's it called? A border for it. I can't spell. Oh well, let's have a look. How many do I have already? 5. I'm gonna replace all of them, so let's change this to 02. I think I'm gonna add more skins as well. Fish, yeah. I'm gonna have a look if I'm gonna add some like borders to it or anything. So we have that. Let's right click and import new asset. Did I? Oh, I'm actually kind of stupid, my bad. I need to save it as a PNG, don't I? Yeah, save as a PNG. Forgot about that. Anyway, let's import new asset because of that. We can remove that. Let's rename it O2. It'd be cool if you made the tail slightly darker or so made more distinct. Actually, yeah, that's kind of a good idea. As I said, it's not gonna be completely like this. Oh, that does look quite nice, actually. We'll play around with it in a minute. I just need to kind of replace the sprite. If I delete it and I rename this O2. Let's go into my shopping area, store. It's just going to be the text, isn't it? Items. I don't know if the Unity's going to automatically update it or not. What is up with this? Oh, this is odd. Wait, sorry guys. What is happening? Okay. I'm getting an error. Okay, wait. Don't save real quick. Sorry guys, you're seeing the be right back sign. I'm getting a bit of an error for some reason where the shop isn't working and it's saying that it doesn't exist basically. Let me try and reopen it. If not, I've got like other versions of it saved, but the kind of older versions with not so good text and stuff. Alright, is it gonna show me the error again? Possibly. Yeah, it's still showing the error, and it's very peculiar why it's doing that. Okay. Console error, yeah. I don't know what. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna have to open up an older version of it. Give me a moment. I've got circle-1, which is an older version of it. Just need to locate it and try and format it properly. I don't know why I did that. I mean, I know I changed the sprite and whatnot, but still, it shouldn't have. A bit odd that it did that. Check if all public variables aren't null. I think it was just the error of me importing the asset, in all honesty. Just give me a moment, I'm trying to open up my old version, but it's just not working right now. In the meantime, while this Unity's loading, right? Oh, it's loaded. 1 minute. Has it loaded yet? It's loaded up, so let me try and. Are you using the same engine that you use for Awoken? Also, how can you send in games for you to critique? No, this isn't the same engine. For Awoken, I actually use Game Maker Studio 2, but I wanted to make a HyperCasual game, and I think it's just generally speaking a lot easier to do it in Unity because it allows for everything a lot. I think it's just a lot easier to then export into Android and stuff. And the way you can submit games is I'm going to make a little update video, probably come out tomorrow or something. And then in the video I will tell you what to do. But basically it's just going to be, you can upload your game to either like Mediafire or itch.io. Now if you don't want to make it public on itch.io, you can make it as, what's it called, kind of a private but with a password. And then you can just send me the link and your name as well. But I'll go on about that in the video. What does the error say? It says the items is missing, which items is my shop thing. But don't worry, I've got I literally got a what's it called, version that I saved prior. Hello, comrade. I can't even. Okay, right. Just give me a moment. Now, I'm nearly done. This is just really annoying. I apologize for I apologize for this. So, how's everyone been doing? Have you had like a good day and stuff? Okay, I'm nearly done. Also, I'm trying to like do ads, and I think I've done it correctly. I just have to like what's it called? Redo it again or something. Well, not redo it, but like re-import a certain like plugin thing. Okay, so give me a moment. Let's have a look at this. Like, okay, I'm in game now. My font hasn't updated and stuff here though. This is the Circle-1. Basically, I'm trying to change this. Also, I spelled items wrong. Items wrong. I spelled it with an N. Kind of stupid. Just started working on my first game that I want to fully release. Any tips on how to organize my goals and stay motivated? I can give you tips on how to stay motivated. What I do is I find other YouTubers, or like, not particularly, doesn't have to be YouTubers, but people, other game developers, let's say, or even just other games, just games in general, that I like. And there's, for example, other YouTubers or game devs that inspire me because I look at their work and I'm like, oh, this is really cool. Or sometimes I will look at a game and I'm like, oh, this game is so cool, I want to create, like, it motivates me to sort of try and create that myself, because when you create a game yourself, you can be really proud of it and, like, kind of brag, but not really. It's kind of like, you can be quite cocky about it. Right, if I do this, if I delete this, and I import new asset, let's rename it 01. If this breaks again, it's literally deleting the thing breaks my game, because the variable items of store doesn't exist anymore. Why doesn't it exist anymore? I don't actually understand. Store. Alright, thank you so much. Oh, there we go, because it's missing the sprite. I'm being so stupid. I forgot about that. Lovely game, thank you. Also, if you're trying to release a game, don't do what I did. I'm kind of going way over my head in terms of the game I'm creating is going to take a while to release. I suggest starting at something that you know you can release in a relatively fast amount of time. Okay, so let's try out the fish. I just need to give myself some coins. So let's give myself, like, what, 100 points, let's say? Have you heard of Raymond Crisps? Wait, let me look him up. Video game designer, okay. Oh, he's got a YouTube, okay. Oh, yeah. This guy. I didn't know, couldn't recognize his name, but he's the one who did, like, the Project Feline thing, right? Because I've been looking at his videos and it's just really cool. Alright, let's press play. I should have 100 coins. Let's test the fishy. Oh, I don't have a wait, let me just redo that. There we go, we've got 100 coins. There we go, our fish appears. Let's test out our fish. Okay, our fish is way too big. Actually, just kind of ridiculous. Alright, why is it so big? The same size, I don't understand. Oh, max size. 1024, let's say that's also 1024. Probably didn't, like, you know, apply, yeah. Pixels per unit. I'm a little bit stupid for that. What's there? Dev for Project Feline, yeah. I don't know what happened with the fish. It was, like, massive. I don't know if this is this gonna fix it? There we go, our fish is now smaller. Is that it? I think that's a bit too small. Can I not go for, like, a... Because if I... Look, let me just show you. If I do it the fish this size, he was kind of my introduction to game dev side of YouTube. Oh, okay, fair enough. I saw his videos in my recommended and I watched a couple of them. I think they're really cool. Apply. Oh, okay, the fish is now bigger. You can play as a fish. Oh, should I make, like, different, like, I'm actually, like, terrible at this game, but we've got a fish. Let's, like, turn it down a bit. I kind of want a bit bigger, in all honesty. We can also do different, like, background stuff. In terms of, we can have different background skins, but I haven't got a shop for that. Also, just a quick thing, my shop currently only has 6 things, but you can scroll down on it and we'll be able to do all of that. Also, I need to change all of the icons, just basically, like, I'm trying to reskin this game, well, my game a bit, because I kind of looks ugly, not gonna lie. Aren't you scared that someone will steal your idea? No, I'm not scared because, in all honesty, okay, let's be clear here. With hyper-casual games, it is literally people stealing other people's ideas, and that's okay, I think. Because in hyper-casual games, it's literally just a really simple game that you don't spend much time on, but that is kind of fun to play and is addictive. And all of them kind of rely on the same things. Look, I'll show you. There is different things you should do. One moment. Okay, look, here's a website, right? How to make a hyper-casual game. So there's different mechanics that you can use. So for example, rising and falling mechanics, tapping or timing mechanics, which mine I guess is timing because you've got to time your way to not, you know, get hit, for instance. Then dexterity mechanics, merging mechanics, stacking mechanics, turning mechanics, growing mechanics, swerve mechanics. And in all honesty, this game is just a bunch of ideas from other games put together, and I'm just trying to make a fun game. And this has definitely been done before, I believe, because maybe it's not going to look the same or anything, but this idea has definitely been done before. Have you trademarked your Awoken game? If not, that would probably be a good idea. Maybe custom bullets for what skin you're wearing. Yeah, that would be cool. I think custom bullets for skins would be cool. Should I do... So if it's a fish, we can have like I don't know, we'll have a look in a minute. No, I haven't trademarked Awoken yet. I probably should. I might do that. Alright. A thing I want to do. Before I merge it, let's create some detail on, I want to make this skin a little bit more detailed, I guess. Let's do that. Let's make selection okay. And I'm going to grab this color, but make it a bit darker, basically. Let's go image, adjustments, brightness and contrast. Let's turn the brightness down a bit. And then let's drag it. Whoops. And then we want to do edit, transform, flip horizontally. No, we want to flip it vertically, I think. Transform vertical. Yeah, there we go. We want to have it at the same sort of area. I need to have a look how you go around and trademark in games, because in all honesty, I haven't trademarked Awoken. I don't, and I think it probably would be a good idea. And then actually here we just need to create a little square. It's a bit too thick. Let's make it thinner. Let's put it like in the middle. If I grab this color and then I grab myself a fill bucket. Then I'm going to right click, merge down, and I'm going to make them a bit brighter so they aren't that noticeable. Just slightly. Besides, the skin's going to be small, so it's not going to be that noticeable. Anyway, how is everyone doing, you know, in quarantine and everything? Hopefully everyone's doing okay. Oh god, I'm gonna have to do this. Merge these visible layers. And I'm gonna add a little stroke. I could do white, I could do like this grey. I think that looks alright actually. I think that makes it stand out a little bit more, in all honesty. Let's save it again. Let's just replace this image. There we go. Let's go into Unity. Import new asset. This is going to be number 1. So let's delete this. Where is rename? I'm being blind right now. This is 01, and then we've got to go into my store. game manager. There it is. And then there we go. Oh, size is 6 by the way, but I can increase the size obviously if I want to. I basically did it so it's like really easy kind of way of doing it. So you can have increase the size here, and then you just need to do a little bit of coding, which is a very small line. So much free time. Yeah, dude, quarantine is freaking awesome for me at least. Hello from Pakistan. Hello from Pakistan. Do you know what? I haven't been anywhere past Europe, and I really want to go to like Asia and like Africa, America, Australia, whatnot. Terry Davis is the best programmer alive. Let me look him up. Quarantine I think is good for me as well. I mean, it's a little bit boring in terms of like I can't see my friends or anything, but it's kind of fun. Well, not fun in that case, but fun in the terms of like it's nice and easy because I don't have to do my exams or anything. Alright, so let's just, the center's like 720 by 720. I hate the center that I made. I thought it would look nice, but it didn't. The coins are also not very noticeable. So the coins are 1024 by 1748. Alright, 1024 by 1748. Let's create this. Also, my chat is so weird. It works half the time and then half the time doesn't. Like earlier, it showed up someone's message, but no one else's is showing up. Anyway, if I'm gonna I know what I need to do. Let's grab this coin because I like the way that I made the coin look, but it's just kind of bland when it's like just grey. So let's make it like a nice color. Let's go, I'm being stupid right now because new Photoshop and everything. We can go into image adjustments, human saturation, we can play around with the hue. Well, we can't because it's grey, isn't it? I think he needs little flippers. Oh yeah, like fins. I'm actually kind of stupid for forgetting to do fins. Alright, let's do like let's do like a little curve. We can go like this, and we can go like I have one idea. To make it symmetrical. Oh god. It's good there. Just go like that. Let's make selection. And I'm gonna fill it with the grey for a minute. And then delete path. And then we're going to duplicate it, right? And we're going to edit, transform horizontally. And then I'm going to be able to sort of turn it to where I need it to go. Oh, actually, wait. It's like that, but I'm going to make it, don't worry, I'm going to make it look, fish be looking fresh though. Yeah, fish, a little flipper on this, yeah. This flipper looks kind of odd at the moment. I know, just leave me a minute. I think I need to do something like this to make it a bit... It's looking kind of weird, not gonna lie. Let's like... Right, let's delete the path. I think, those are some thick lines. I know, I'm going to change the thickness of them, don't worry. See what I mean? Look, the chat's coming up now, actually. Finally. It wasn't showing up for, like, ages, and it's always broken, and I don't... Right, what happens if I merge down? So we have this. We can, like, play around with it, right? Yeah. we can make it. And then don't worry. This is what you would do. We grab a new layer with this on. And we click select, modify, and contract. And we're going to contract it by like 10 pixels. Oh, this is, I don't know. I don't think this is looking too great at the moment. Yeah, this is looking kind of bad. Wait. I think I might just use, what about gills? I totally forgot about gills. Okay, guys, right. Let me just look up what a fish looks like. Cartoon fish. Because I seem to forget what fishes look like. And I don't understand why. Right, I'm here. Hello, Jonas. Right. So here we have some lovely fish. Okay, we want to do a fin like that, I think. If I like copy this, right? This is definitely not cheating, guys. It's okay. If I scale this fish up so he's like at least relatively the same size, right? Look at this. We can go on a new layer, right? And we can like basically copy the line. Whoops, I made like a little mistake. We can copy the line, right? And then draw it here. And then go like this. And then, I've got an idea. We grab the thickness of the brush to like 10, cool. Right click. Stroke path, but with a brush. And then look, delete path, right? Delete this fish, and look at that. We have ourselves a fin. Copy the line, that is. I like to do that all the time. Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's anything bad in doing it. I mean, if I'm just using it for the fin, guys. I'm not using it for anything else. It's alright. And then the fin's gonna have to be a different color. So let's grab a new layer. Let's grab it like a bit like this. And then we basically just need to copy like the outline of this, right? I did that one in the wrong space a bit. Let's copy the lines. Make selection. Beautiful, accurate, yeah. And then we can use the same color as this, I think. Like that. Do we want it like that? Or do I want it like... I think that looks quite nice. I mean, the fish is going to be like, what, this size max? At least it has a fin now. Let's go back to our reference. It's got like lines coming out of it. Should we do lines as well? Okay, we're going to need to grab this color. And then I'm just going to do it with my tool because I've got a smooth thing, don't I? Let's redo that one. Like that. There we go, we've got a nice little thing going on. Cool. Should I add a smiley face, or is a smiley face too much? Let's have a look. If I like grab this color, right? Is a smiley face a bit much? I think that's a bit much. The shape of the fish looks more like a submarine. You could say it looks kind of fishy. No mouth. Yeah. I mean, I think it's quite quirky. Alright. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for other skins, let me know. Should we make him like that? Should we give him like a weird zigzaggy face? I think that could be cool. Wait. Kind of start it outside it. There we go. He's got a zigzaggy face now. Looking kind of weird. Oh well. Lines, you mean gills? Yeah. He looks like... he looks dead inside. Dory. So, what do fishes else? What? They've got like a fin on the top, but... Should I do it, guys? Should I like... I can make him smaller, you know? I can make it... Like, I could, what's it called? Decrease his size and add a little... thing on the top. Should we do that? make him, I did not mean to do that. Let's select everything and let's ensure it's, okay, what did I do? There we go. Whoops, kind of like cut my fish in half. Should I do dots in the eye? Okay. Why is that like? No, that's a bit much. Should I do dots in the eye or not? Mo Finn's Minecraft mod. Okay, right. Are we doing? Should we do like a fin like this, or like a? I reckon I should do like a fin like that, like a zigzaggy one as well. Again. Anyway, let's do it on this layer. Let's grab this and let's like something like that. I think it looks alright. Oh my god, yes. Cone fish. You know, guys, we can have like, right, we can have other skins than a fish. You know, the first skin is a triangle, guys. A small dot. Okay, I'll do a small dot then in a minute. Let's grab a bigger brush though and let's turn the smoothing down. Whoops, that was not meant to happen. Let's do it on this layer. There we go. Just colour that in like so. He's a fat fish, not gonna lie. But you know, there's nothing wrong with that. Don't like hold me accountable for it or something. And then these lines aren't very visible, but it's okay. Let's grab ourselves some smoothing. We'll add a few lines. There we go. Our fish is coming together. You're so good at coming up with skins. Yeah, a fish. I'm so great, aren't I made up a fish. Right. Do a little dot. We can make him like kind of cute if we can do a little other dot here. Just like a simple. Well, actually, do like a simple dot. Look at him! A small little dot in the eye makes him a lot cuter. Gyms are closed in C. Alright. Our fish looks a lot better. Let's call it still O2, aren't we? Save. Yes, let's just replace it. Unity. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to import a new. You've got a replacement, buddy. Oh, it's not. Guys, sorry. It wasn't like open properly. And then we can go into Game Manager. And let's test this fishy out in the game. I was referring to Comrade. Oh, okay. He's kind of big. What did you say? Cone what? Cone fish. He said you should do Chad fish. Okay. Are we doing another fish? How? Okay. Right. So here we have Chad. We're gonna make him a fish. Or should we just do Chad face? I think that would be quicker. Let's copy this image. We'll paste him in. Okay. Right, let's move it to the Chad, okay. Right. But let's first of all like change this dude to like 300. Apply, yeah. That's still too big. Maybe like 200. He's a chonker, yeah. That is still quite big. To 400. Apply. And look at that. I'm actually terrible at this game. And I just realised it's impossible for me to win because I've sprites, because I freaking don't have the points. What did I do with the points? I will change that in a minute. We need to do Chad, okay? Just like a Chad face with fins, okay. God, right. Let's remove good old fishy. Right, we need to do some surgery on this image, okay? Let's like select the face, okay? And we're gonna, wrong thing, I don't want to copy this. Let's like select the face again, Mayavia cut. Okay, cool. So we have the face extracted here, right? Whoops, I actually did a wrong thing. I didn't mean to actually. I don't actually want to delete that. Let's do cut again. So remember, this is the size that we need it to be, basically, like the whole page. Yes, stream. Okay, right. We're gonna do some surgery on Chad. Just don't worry, okay? We need some. Should we have him this way, or should we have him face this way? I reckon we can have him face this way. Right. We just need the head, okay? We don't need no body here. He's just being a head, okay? Like it or not, we're having the Chad head. Let's like go like this for a minute. And let's remove everything on here. Remove this body. I know it's a hot body, guys. I'm genuinely laughing so hard I'm crying to the left. What game type is this for? This is a, what's it called? HyperCasual game for the Android. I can make it for iOS as well, but I don't have an iOS. And it's like, I swear it's like, isn't it like $100 to get something published on iOS? Okay. We're gonna need to Chad with the face out of a UFO. Should we do that? I'm actually gonna redraw Chad because here's the reason why, guys. You know, Chad's kind of sexy, he's kind of hot, but he needs some, you know, Zygerification, whatnot. So let's do this. Chad with face, yes, I join back to the stream and I get a side head, yes. Yeah, this is, you know, a new skin, this is a new invention we're doing here. So this is gonna be our, okay, I can't actually join it up yet. I need to like, we get the big nose, okay? The long nose, okay? Okay, we're gonna need to go like, trust me, this is gonna be great, okay? I heard you need a website to publish on iOS. Do you? I've never done it before. I do not know. Just saying that if an enemy shooting will be octopus shooting from 8 tentacles. What social media do you have that is public, such as Reddit or Twitter? Actually, I can show you my social media. I do have a Twitter. I think I should like, what's it called? This is my Twitter. It's just twitter.com/Zyger Designs, because I used to do graphic stuff. I don't use Twitter that often. 62 followers actually, considering I'm literally like not that active. But I do post every so often on Twitter, I guess. I've got an Instagram. Where is it? This is my Instagram, which is instagram.com/gabsxd. So yeah, my name is Gabby for those who don't know. Actually no one probably knows. I've got a where is it? My library. I've got a dashboard, there we go. I've got an itch.io, which you can click on, which is where I upload my games if I do any. I do have a Reddit, but I don't use it. I literally just post, like, if I don't know how to do something, I just ask for help. Which tends to be a lot of the times these days, you know. Alright. Stroke path. Delete path. Actually, why am I doing it like this? I'm being so stupid. Yes, delete the freaking thing. I've got smoothing on my brush. I literally don't need to do it through a pathway. I can just... Okay, I was just being a bit stupid, guys. Actually, I wasn't being stupid. There you go. We're getting the Chad face done, okay? Lol, same. Let's delete the path. And then we're gonna need to do this bit. Right click, stroke path, okay. Stroke path again. Oh, I've got a Discord server as well. Do you count that as social media? I don't know, but I link it in my every single video if you wanna check it out. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Alright, what's your social security number? My social security number is SH. No. Alright. Time to do. Okay, we've got the Chad face done. We just need to, like, fix the Chad face now by, like. Whoops. Let's fix it up a bit. Whoops. Alright, here is our Chad face. Okay, we need to, like, join it up, though. God, what has this come to? It's literally come to me making a hyper-casual game where we have Chad. Also, hopefully I'll stream tomorrow as well, guys. But I need to release a video and still record it, so... Okay, so here we have Chad. We just need to do, like, the eyes and everything. Chad looks like something Picasso would draw while high. What the fuck are you doing? What is your... Okay, alright. For those who are new and just joined, I'm making a hyper-casual game. Now, if I launch my game, let me show you. I've got a shop system, right? And you can buy skins and chat, and we've got, like, the square with... What? Square? Oh my god, I can't even determine what... What's it called? What this is. It's a triangle. The shape is a triangle. We have a fish, and we're gonna have Chad, okay? But currently we have these, right? Which, you know, we need to make more skins. So what we do is we turn the opacity down, okay? And here we have the lovely Chad eye, okay? And, right, this is what you do, right? We're gonna draw the eye. Which I don't think will be too hard. But we need to keep the Chad look, it's important. Right. And then for the purpose of this video, for this game, I'm gonna make it a bit like this. Look at that, guys. That looks terrible. I think I need a smaller brush, in all honesty. Let's go like, I don't know, 7. Alright, let's join it up. Perfect. Yo, bro, I'm such a Chad XD. Okay, we need like a little mark here, and then we need an eyebrow. Now, you know, Chad's got some thick eyebrows, so we need to make sure we, like, add that in. He's got something like that, and then he's got, like, a pupil, because everyone has a pupil. Let's colour this in. Alright, that looks looking actually quite okay. We need to, like, do that there. And then he's got, like, a white spot here, like so. We'll do like the blue in a minute, but let's just continue making this beautiful Chad. He's got like a thing like that, and then he's got like a smile. Right, who actually drew Chad, may I ask? Are you doing this with just a mouse? Yeah, I am, but the reason is because I can't be asked to plug my tablet in, because if I plug it in, I've got to like move stuff around, have an extension cord. The way I'm doing it with a tablet, with a mouse, is in Photoshop 2020, and I think 2019 as well. You have this option here called smoothing, where it like drags your line behind. It's nice and smooth, and it's slow, so you can make it quite nice. The neck can be a good fishtail. Oh my god, I can actually add a fishtail, can't I? Just add a nice this. Let's do an ear. And like so. And then he's got like a thing there. So this is our Chad drawing, okay? Smile more like a smirk. Alright, this is our Chad, and now we need fishtail, someone said. So let's drag his Chad up a bit. Should we do a fishtail, or should we do like a... We can do like a rocket thing, I think. It would be quite cool as well. We can do like a... What's it called? Like a... This sort of thing. That doesn't really look right. Correct, wait. Like that, or something, I don't know. Rocket. Should we do rocket? I need to redo the thing. That's a bit much, okay, God. Wait, I need to go like... Oh god, I need to like... Right. This Photoshop's kind of annoying. I don't know what's up with this version, because it's like... Okay. We need to do this slowly, I think. That's the way to it. Let's do this. Oh god, I failed that bit because I didn't make it straight. Let's do this. That looks okay, I think. About makeup, that's the smouldering eyes, yeah. Time to my foot fungus. Okay, what is happening in them? Okay, time to colour in our Chad, right? So, you see, to be authentic, we've got to use the original Chad colours. So that's the skin colour, okay? Let's colour him in. Wait, let's do eye to drop that. Okay, so for this I actually don't use smoothing because it's a lot easier. Oh, actually, the way we can colour in stuff easily, if I show you something. Duplicate your liner, and then this one, fill everything up, basically. And it has to be everything, unfortunately. Just fill it up, right? And then drag your colour on top, and press create clipping mask, okay? And then you can, like, basically kind of draw it nicely. Actually, never mind, that's not going to work. I'm stupid. Let's delete that. Alright. Time to colour in our Chad. Right. It doesn't matter if we go out too much this point, because we're going to, like, clean it up anyway. What are you guys saying? Is it just me, or his head look thick? I mean, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna have to grab a smaller brush. Okay. Even smaller brush in all honesty. Then I'm gonna need a rubber because I just kind of went out of the lines there a bit. Okay, that's our head. And then we need the bright yellow. And I'm gonna do that on a new layer. And basically, same as before, we're just gonna kind of color it in really roughly at the time, for the time being. We can increase the brush a bit, that's easier. And here is our Chad with 2 basic colours. Now we need to do an eye. And his eye is like, what, blue? It's like this sort of blue, okay. Let's grab a brush. Smaller, obviously, so I can actually fit it in. And then we need a white, because we need white for these side bits. Okay, here is our Chad. Chad looking kind of nice. Can we swear in chat? Yeah, if you want to. It's not, the stream isn't, what's it called? It's not for kids, I don't think. I don't set it to that. Right, let's make the rocket now. You know what? Photoshop's actually annoying me because I can't zoom in there for some reason. Oh, I can now. Whoops, I was just being stupid, I think. Right. But yeah, if you want to, you can swear in chat. It's up to you. I'm not gonna, like, ban you or anything. Is it during our darkest moments we must focus to see the Chad? Yes. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna add a load of skins, I think. A cool thing would be to also, like, change the background depending on what skin you use. And if the projectiles are also different, depending on the skin you use, would be cool as well. But that's going to take some programming because currently there's only one type of projectile, so I'd have to play around with some if statements, basically, like if skin equals 2, then this is the sprite we use for it. And now let's basically just, this is how you want to do it, okay? You want to go like this, and you want to basically create it underneath it. So I'm just copying my line up, by the way. Okay, my dog is barking very loudly. And then we're gonna go to like a red. I'm gonna have to redo that. Sort of like so, I guess. I actually can't wait to test this out in game. Not gonna lie. Doggo be barking. Yeah. You know what? My dog actually, like, it's warm in the UK at the moment, and he's kind of going mental. Because, obviously I go on a walk with him and everything. But he's going mental because it's really weird. He enjoys when me and my sister play badminton in the garden. Because he just likes to run around with, like, a toy in his mouth while we play it. So now he's been currently going mental for us to play constantly with him. Gabby, give me more clay blocks in Minecraft. Matt, I'm not giving you more clay blocks right now. Ask the moderator on the Minecraft server. Ask Joe. The average dog is a nicer person than the average person. Do you know what? I can believe that because dogs are all cute and nice. Right, we'll play around with this Chad in a minute. But I just want to test it in game, in all honesty. Save, cool. Let's go into player. Import new asset, Chad. Delete. Let's just rename it so it's all nice and clear. 02. Oh, I deleted the wrong thing, didn't I? Yeah. Fine, this is 03 because Chad's more expensive, you know. Final thing, 100 is a bit much. Once again, let's go like 400. We'll test it out. What are you drawing? Chad. Matt, I'm drawing Chad if you can't see. It's for my game. It's a skin. There we go, let's play as Chad. Oh my god, Chad actually loads into the game. This is on a phone, so it would look a lot nicer. Okay, but our coins have not. What's it called? I've removed the coins icon, or the points. Sorry. Into prefabs game point. See, so if you click on point, it's missing a sprite. So let's do a points. Let's do the points now. I'm gonna set it to like a swerve, yeah. I've set it to like I like a sort of purple colour, not gonna lie. I do it on a new layer, my bad. And then let's select this. This will be our main colour. The reason, by the way, I'm doing it on here, I'm changing the colour of it, is because it's literally not very noticeable. So I'm just changing the colour not slightly, I'm changing it quite a bit. But it's because it doesn't appear that easily. But here we have our little diamond. Like so. Let's file, save this as, I don't know, coins. It's not coins, it's a coin. Also, does anyone else have any skin ideas that you want me to add into the game? Alright, gotta go see your 8-year-olds later. Bye, comrade. How do I say it? Comrade mate love? Do a backflip. Do you know what? I can do a front flip. Well, not anymore. I could do it on ground before. I could do it on a trampoline. I can still do it on a trampoline, but that's easy. So let's go back into the sprites. Import a new asset, coin. And then up. There we go. We just need to add the coin. And now look at this. Now we get a coin, but the coin is too big because it's 1,000, I think. I should make it. A day without Chad is a day wasted. Yeah, I believe that. That's a good mindset to live on. And that's a bit too big again. Let's play around with it. I'll be doing like the fonts and the background stuff later. Is that coin still too big? Yeah, it's kind of still too big, not gonna lie. Alright, yeah, apply. I think the coin's a lot more visible now that's happened. Okay, so background. So basically, for the way the background works, sorry, is you have like a randomizer on what color it is. Everyone come Gabby Minecraft server for epic gaming. Oh yeah, guys, if you want to join my Minecraft server, it's 1.15. Let me find the IP address for it. If you want to join Minecraft server, here is IP address. It's 1.15. But you can just stay here, you know. Okay, so the reward ad stuff isn't working right now because I haven't got that sorted out. But we have different pre-icons, basically, price icons, sorry. And you can see I did different colors because it basically changes with the background. So depending on what the background color is, it's going to change there. Also, I have this game manager, by the way, just like to point it out, which basically controls everything. And here we have a background and stuff. So yeah, let's continue doing the skins though. We can do skin number 2. With different inspiration. So, you know, we did Chad. What's another meme 2020? Let's look at some memes. think I know what we need to do. Guys, we need some simp sauce, okay? One of the skins we need is literal simp sauce. So, let's copy this in. Chad, you're gonna have to go, buddy. Apologies. But, you know, that's just life. We're gonna do a simp sauce bottle. Because, why the hell not? Right? It's gonna be quite a big bottle, but you know. There we go. Here we have a bottle. Fun quote, all men are equal before fish. Well, to be fair, I kind of agree with that. All men are equal before fish, you know. Kind of accurate. Right. We're gonna have to... I'm actually gonna have to do it differently. Okay. Like in terms of, wait, I need to do it like this. And then I need to do the curve, like so. Okay. Okay. I think it'd be cool if I actually released this on Play Store. I kind of want to. Whoops, I forgot. We need a black, well, dark grey sort of colour. Size, let's go size 10. And we do this on a new layer. Right click, stroke path, brush. There we go, delete path. This is the final skin I'm gonna do, and then I'm probably gonna end because it's still nice outside. It's not dark yet, and I kind of wanna go into my garden for a bit. Let's use the pen tool for this bit. It'll be easier. Well, brush tool, sorry. There we go. And then we do like a little top. Look at this bottle. Looking fine. From where are you? I'm from Poland, but I live in the UK. I've pretty much lived in the UK my whole life. Well, like half my life actually. Oh my god, I keep going outside the line that I'm meant to go outside of. There we go. Okay. And then we've got to create like a... Let's create it here because it's just easier. Like so. Okay. They're looking kind of ugly, not gonna lie. I've got a better idea. Let's just do it with an eclipse, in all honesty. Because I can create an eclipse like so, and then I can make... If I do it on another layer, I can right click and then... Stroke, and we do it with a 10, right? Yeah. And then I can kind of, you know, play around with where I want it. Like this, for example. And then I'm gonna go like that, maybe. And now we need to do the simp source letters. So for this I'm gonna need a bit thicker. Probably like a 16 will do, yeah. I'll do it on a new layer. Probably turn the smoothing down a bit. With this, I'll probably just go like this, though. Just to make straight lines, basically. Simp. And then we need the source. Okay, and then we need the icon as well. For this, I'll probably go like this again. Do it there at the bottom. There we go. And then a C. And then finally an E, which I'll probably go like this. So our simp source is looking kind of neat. UK make a fish look similar to Boris John avoiding the virus. I'm gonna remove the circle. I'm gonna do it differently because we're gonna have simp source has to be full, you know. We're gonna make it full, and then we need to do the steak. Now the steak, I'm gonna actually go a bit smaller and turn this up again. We need to focus here. There we go. And we make it all nice and thick and 3D. Like so. And then we make a little like J or like this sort of T sign. And there we have some simp sauce. Final thing I need to do though. Let's do a little border, which is going to be kind of annoying to do. It's okay. We can try and do it anyway. There we go. We have our simp sauce. Now we need to colour it. But I'm going to kind of choose my own colours, I think. The cork's going to be like kind of brownish like so. So let's go with brush, but this time we need to turn the smoothing off when you colour in because it just doesn't really work if it's smooth. Okay. And then the logo was like blue, right? Not the logo, but like this was blue, so I'm gonna make it light blue, so it's quite nice. Matthew is your bro. Matthew is a friend of mine. He knows me IRL. We went to the same school because I don't go there anymore because I finished school and I'm gonna be going to uni this year. So yeah, he's a friend. Right. I want to finish the skin and then I'll end the stream. I'll still play around with the skins and stuff. I should probably make a video out of this HyperCasual game, or me making it anyway. And then what colour is the steak? It's like, it's red inside and like whitish on the outside, okay. So let's grab like a white, but let's make it like this sort of colour, basically. It's just more like creamish, whitish sort of colour. And then it's like red in the top. Let's turn the brush down a bit. Hello, Firecracker ZL Games. If you're wondering what I'm doing here, because you just joined, I'm doing a HyperCasual game. It's like, have you ever heard of Ketchup? I'm making like a game, and you can have different skins. So I'm creating the skins right now. So this is going to be one of the skins, basically. And then, I'm going to do this on a new layer. I'm going to grab a new brush, make it 10. And I'm going to have a look like it's sort of spilt. Whoops. like that, so it's kind of like, you know, spinning a bit. And then probably need to make like a cool, yeah. Okay. Let's use the same color as this. Make it quite nice. Smoothing off. Time to color in. Gonna have to do this bits with a smaller brush, unfortunately. And I say unfortunately because it's wasted some time having to change the brush type. But okay. Alright. And now let's do the bottle. The bottle I'm gonna do like a whitish bluish sort of colour. Like so. And I've got an idea how to make it look like glass. And then this bit here. Like so. Probably make it a bit lighter, in fact. Let's fill it in with that. And then we grab a white, okay? And what you need to do is you need to make like a set of lines coming out like that. So here is our simp sauce skin, and let's file save this as skin number 4, I think now, yeah. Well, actually this is going to be skin number 2, in actual fact, because I forgot to do skin number 2. Anyway, let's import new assets, simp sauce, delete this, because this is going to be, rename this to 02. And this is once again going to be too big, so let's set it to like 1200 and have a look what it looks like in a moment. Apply, yep. In game manager, we're just going to replace the missing. What subject you're going in for uni, relating to game or art related? It's relating to more of the maths side. It's going to be mainly maths. It's computer games programming and development. So there will be some art involved as well, I guess, but it's mainly just maths. Buy the simp sauce. Simp sauce too small. What happens if I set it to 700? Apply, yeah. Simp sauce still too small. 700 is still too small. Interesting, considering it's the same size as the Chad, but when I made Chad 400, it was like massive. Okay, there we go. We have simp sauce skin working now. By the way, this will look a lot better if you're playing it on your phone. Like, you'll be able to tell, it'll run a lot better, and it'll also look a lot better because the skin won't be as, what's it called? You'll be able to see a lot clearer. So, I will make a video on this soon, but tomorrow I'm uploading a video where you guys can submit your games to me. So basically, it's going to be an announcement where I am going to be making a new series, basically, where I play your guys' games, because I've had many suggestions and many people want me to do that. So if you go ahead and watch that, that will kind of explain what to do and how you can be featured. It'll be very simple, but basically I want to make a series out of it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this stream. I know it's kind of short, but it's still light outside and I want to go into my garden for a bit, and I've got other stuff to do. So thank you everyone who came and watched. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this. It was kind of fun, I think, making the simp sauce, the fish and Chad, and just showing you the project I'm working on. Either way guys, hope you have an amazing day or night, depending what time you're watching this, and I'll see you guys later.